Memories, thoughts, movements, and feelings are the product of signals that go through nerve cells known as neurons in the brain. Neurons keep in touch by sending electrical charges down axons. Chemicals are then released across the gaps between neurons. Nerve cells like astrocytes and microglia are responsible for keeping things tidy or keeping our neurons healthy by clearing away debris. However, in Alzheimer's patients, this whole process is thrown off. According to researchers, this process involves two proteins, beta-amyloid and tau, which become toxic in an Alzheimer's patient. Odd or abnormal tau accumulates and creates tangles within neurons. Beta-amyloid becomes concentrated, forming plaques between neurons. As amyloid continues to rise, tau begins its odyssey across the brain. The vascular system can't supply blood and nutrients to the brain, making the brain low on glucose and low on the energy needed to power basic functions. As microglial cells fail to clear away debris and astrocytes react to the stressed microglial cells, neurons actually begin to die off because they aren't receiving those signals, and as this happens, the brain literally begins shrinking. Take note that this begins in the hippocampus, which is the area of the brain that is pivotal to learning and storing memory. This is why Alzheimer's patients begin to experience memory loss, difficulty communicating, and their decision-making is greatly impaired. Eventually, the patient will lose the ability to think as a result of neurons continuing to die. And once a neuron dies, it does not grow back. They will lose many of the independence they once had and won't be able to make logical choices. Of course, new research is being done every day, and new drugs and new therapies are always being developed. Changes in diet, lifestyle, and socialization are greatly encouraged in Alzheimer's patients.